close my eyes, the noise fades slow. A quiet place where hope can grow. No maps, no signs to guide my way, just faith in what I feel today. They say be real,